Intense confrontations.
Get him, ready. Get him! Back up!
Heart-pounding chases.
Get your fucking hands up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Where are you?
I got him. Get on the ground. Don't you move.
And unexpected outcomes.
Listen to me carefully. Keep your hands up. Face away from me. Face away from me. All right, come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
I didn't even know this. Stay in the car.
Welcome to the most thrilling moments between police and criminals, where every decision can change a life forever. In Pineville, North Carolina, Sergeant Adam Roberts of the Pineville Police was dispatched to the Food Lion store on Johnston Road after receiving a call reporting a theft. On arrival, Sergeant Roberts discovered Dennis Bodden, 46, a suspect with a criminal history of theft and violence, carrying a bag of stolen goods and attempting to leave the scene.
Hey, stop, police. Stop, police. Better back up. Get on the ground. One at taser. Get on the ground.
Despite Sergeant Roberts' commands to stop, Bodden ignored him and continued walking.
Get on the ground, sir. You ain't getting away, bro.
The situation quickly escalated as Bodden became aggressive, forcing Sergeant Roberts to use a taser. It was ineffective. During the struggle with officers, Bodden attacked another officer and stole his radio. The altercation intensified as Bodden tried to grab Sergeant Roberts' gun, leading Sergeant Roberts to fire 3 shots at Bodden.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Despite officers' efforts to save him, Bodden did not survive. The Mecklenburg County District Attorney's Office ultimately ruled that Sergeant Roberts' use of force was reasonable and necessary in this situation, based on principles of self-defense and public safety. Sergeant Roberts has returned to his normal duties. The use of force by officers is assessed under North Carolina law's reasonable self-defense criteria, including their right to protect themselves and their colleagues from immediate danger. From the serious incident in Pineville, we move to another situation in Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta police were called to 782 Peachtree Set NE to handle a family dispute.
I don't know.
We got cameras in this one. Where's your injuries at, man?
Like, from my finger, all type of shit, like...
Do you need a ambulance right now?
On arrival, suspect Tabiao Sheely, 21, fled, leading to a tense chase.
Peachtree is 7, 53. We're good. Let's think of a lot of it. Line up for him, we're still okay.
I'm behind the building.
Fucking here! He's right here!
During the pursuit, Sheely fired several shots at the police.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Where are you?
I got him. Get on the ground. Don't you move. Put your hands behind your back.
Where you at?
You got me?
Officers quickly responded and shot Sheely in the arm. The suspect was apprehended without further incident, and the firearm was recovered.
I can want to touch it.
9-5 type of one just touched the unit. Are y'all okay?
What I do?
504, I'm fine. He shot at me, but I think I'm good. He ain't hit me. Get up! Get up!
I can't.
Get up! Think I'm playing with you?
Fortunately, no innocent bystanders or police officers were injured in this event. Sheely was treated for his injuries at a hospital and charged with assaulting police officers and unlawful possession of a weapon. The shooting of Sheely was reviewed under the necessity and reasonableness standard to ensure the safety of officers and the public according to Georgia law.
69 recovered. He has a bullet shot, a bullet wound to his right arm, right forearm.
Copy, Mill 70. Stand by, 67.
I'm good. I'm clear. I'm clear.
We're here.
I'm clear. Hey, brother. I'm clear. I'm clear. I'm clear. One check. Good. I'm good. You good? I'm good. You good? I'm good.
We're here right to 3503.
From the situation in Atlanta, we now turn to a serious incident in Milwaukee. Around 2:23 p.m., Milwaukee police attempted to execute a criminal stop at the intersection of N 17th Street and W Vliet Street, related to 2 prior armed robberies and car thefts earlier in the day.
Do it now!
Take it off. Take it off. Alright, they're going to get us. Signs on. 323. Looks like they're going to be blocked by construction equipment here.
The chase ended when the suspect's vehicle reversed into a patrol car and then continued forward.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
An officer positioned behind the vehicle fired at the car, hitting 2 suspects. The vehicle was identified as stolen.
Stand! Get on the ground! Hands! Hands! Hands!
Shots fired! Shots fired! That is more cars! Everybody get out of the car!
Keep your hands where we can see! Keep your hands up!
And a firearm was recovered. The heavily injured suspects included Calvion Jeans, 17, who was shot in the arm and jaw.
Show us your hands!
Stand up! Hey, my guy, stand up! Keep your hands up! Back up towards the sound of my voice! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Keep coming! Stand right there!
Hold on, just sit tight!
Ashley Patterson, 18, was shot in the head and back, and sadly, her unborn child did not survive.
Stay in the car!
I got another discussion on Police.
Other suspects in the car were also injured, but with lesser injuries, and were taken to the hospital.
Sit down right here. Right here. Right on the ground.
Here, I got you, I got you.
We're just north of Vienna on the freeway. Just north of Vienna on the freeway by the pedestrian bridge.
Yeah. Lay down. Lay down. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Lay down. Lay your head back. Lay your head back for me. Alright.
4 suspects have been charged with a total of 20 counts, including armed robbery, unlawful possession of a weapon, and resisting arrest. The involved officer is currently on administrative leave per internal policy, and the incident is under investigation to ensure that the use of force was reasonable and necessary for the specific circumstances. According to Wisconsin law, police shooting is reviewed within the context of public safety and preventing serious criminal acts. These tragic and tense events highlight the harsh reality protecting the community in a high-risk environment. While different situations demand different responses, ultimate goal of officers is to ensure public safety and maintain order. In each case, from Pineville to Atlanta and Milwaukee, the use of force is carefully examined to ensure it is reasonable, necessary, and in accordance with the law. These stories are not only a testament to the stress and challenges of police work, but also a reminder of the importance of upholding fairness and transparency in law enforcement action. Thank you for watching American Cop Watch. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss the latest videos on American law enforcement and legal matters. Leave your comments below and share the video if you found it useful. See you in the next video.